All right, so I want to go over how you can actually get to the list of submissions for your forms. If you go to sites and then we go to forms, highlight over forms, and then we click submission, you'll be able to see all of the forms that have been submitted for any of the forms that you created inside of your account. So here, if I click on this drop down here on the left hand side up under submissions, we can do all forms here and it'll list all of the forms that have been submitted. So now in order to organize it, you can click on the drop down here and then click on the specific form that you're looking for. So this one, let's say it's probably sample form, but you'll be able to see when it was submitted. So the submission date and time, the contact. Usually this is probably like the image right here. That way you can see their face if there's an image uploaded for that specific contact. The name of the person, their email address if you collected that, first name, last name. We have phone number and the terms and conditions, whether they check that, and then their IP address as well too. It'll pull that information too. So some other information here, you can also export all of this information and export that onto a CSV file. And then we have our columns here. So you can uncheck or move around the boxes that you want to see first or uncheck the ones that you actually want to see. The submit at is blocked, so you can't take that one off. However, everything else on here, if there's something on here that you don't want on this list, you can uncheck that. What you also be able to do is see, you can search as well too. If you're looking for something specific, you can use the search box here as well too. All right.